I want to talk a little bit about documenting exposure at classified locations, because I asked General Kane at his confirmation hearing about documenting exposure at data mask locations where the duty station and its existence are classified. I want to ensure that service members' records accurately reflect service-connected injuries at those locations. I've heard from constituents who served at such locations within the Nevada Test and Training Range who believe they were exposed to radiation from our days of conducting explosive nuclear weapons testing and to burn pits which dispose of classified waste. However, as I've explained before, this committee many times, DOD does not classify the range as a place where exposure has occurred, despite the Department of Energy providing the presumption of exposure for their personnel who served at these exact locations within the range. And because their service records are data masked, these veterans can't even prove to the VA that they were ever even stationed there. I know you know where they are, in Nevada specifically. So, General, I'm very thankful the Senate version of the NDAA includes my provisions to begin addressing this issue, but we need senior Pentagon leadership to help us see it through. So, if confirmed, will you commit to working with me and this committee to ensure that the Department provides a presumption of exposure for relevant locations, such as those which the Department of Energy, well, they've already done so for their personnel. We can just follow what they're doing. And we want to ensure that those who served and, of course, are currently serving at these data masked sites receive sufficient documentation to support their health-related claims, all while protecting the classified nature of their service.
Senator, I commit to working with you. I will say that I'm not intimately familiar with the issue, but I will, if confirmed, assess that and come back to you. Just as a statement, we owe all the members high-quality health care, irrespective of where they may have served or what they did. That's an expectation when they come in to serve this country.